All right, y'all, so I wanted to do a little unboxing video since I recently bought some parts and they finally came in. I think these took about 3 weeks. That one was just a week. They didn't have that part at the time. So let's start with the smallest one, okay? And I did the CCV reroute last weekend, but they were out of these internal catch cans. All right, so set this right there. That's about it. Comes with a gasket, 2 bolts, nothing to it. All right, these I'm excited for. All right, so got some pretty cool packaging. I guess it's the stuff that just like foams up once you have it packaged. That's pretty cool. But I got an intake piping kit. SPE, went with red. That looks so good. That looks good. You know, so if I was paying for powder coating, and I think it was like 200 bucks, I wanted some kind of personality. You know, instead of just black, you know, if I'm paying for powder coating, I kind of want some color. I didn't want anything like green or like a bright, anything bright. I just kind of wanted something like dark, like a dark red, maybe even if I was into green. So that's why I ended up going red instead of just say white or black. And I wanted to retain my no limit stage 2 intake. This huge thing just kind of staring at you. All right, and that's why I went with the SPE intake kit. I do want to upgrade my intercooler, I think next year, and maybe the turbo. This thing just looks so good. So good. So, yeah, like I was saying, I think I want to upgrade the intercooler first next year. And then I want to potentially upgrade the turbo. But before all that, I wanted to start with the piping kit. Because the intake is quite small, flows well enough, but I know this can help out. Not that I push my truck in towing or anything like that. But anyways, yeah. I gotta start with this first. This just looks so good. That is awesome. All right, show a better look. All right, gents, I cannot wait to install this on my truck. I actually may get to it today. Get that in there, and then this is the hose to utilize the same intake. But it's gonna look so good. Just gonna remove that piece. That's the intake. All that's gonna come out. I'm talking, I'm probably removing 20 pounds worth of junk in there. Throttle block. Yeah, this thing's gonna look good. Well, I just wanted to do a little unboxing. That's it for this video. If you got any questions, comments, go ahead and let me know down below. But I did do my fair diligence in researching which piping kit to go with. And I ended up going with this route. So there's plenty of them out there. They're all good. Most of them are all good. Like the pushers, that one's pretty good. There's another one. Anyways, see y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and probably start the install.